Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on the video. Please like the video if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel to follow all the weekly ads. Let's take a look together at the discounted products at Aldi Market. Crofton Coastal Sauté Pan or Fry Pan Set. $16.99 each. Crofton Mini Frying Pan. $4.99 each. Crofton Pancake Pan. $9.99. Crofton Stoneware Baking Dish. $8.99. Huntington Home Ceramic Bowl. $12.99. Huntington Home Coastal Table Runner. $9.99. Crofton 20-piece Flatware Set. $14.99. Crofton Ribbed Glass Drinkware Set. $9.99. Crofton Coastal Serving Platter. $9.99. Crofton Oversized Serving Bowl. $14.99. Huntington Home Kitchen Comfort Mat. $6.99 each. Crofton Ribbed Glass Canister Set. $9.99. Ambiano Immersion Blender with Chopping Bowl. $24.99. Easy Home Memory Foam Lumbar or Swivel Cushion. $14.99. Crofton 3-piece Seal Tight Containers. $9.99. Crofton Storage Bowl Set. $6.99. Crofton 12-piece Glass Bowl with Snapping Lid. $14.99. Crofton 2-pack 24 ounces. Tritan Water Bottle. $6.99. Huntington Home Gel Clings. $1.99. Huntington Home Fabric Garland. $4.99 each. Huntington Home Reversible Block Sign. $3.99. Huntington Home Gnome. $8.99 each. Sarah Ladies Printed Super Soft Leggings. $4.99. Pembroke St. Patrick's Day Party Pack. $9.99. Huntington Home Mini Wreath. $6.99 each. Huntington Home Decorative Tray or Box. $9.99. Huntington Home Bowl Fillers. $3.99. Huntington Home Oversized Wood Knot. $9.99 each. Huntington Home Light Blocking Window Curtain. $7.99. Casalix Bamboo Pendant Lamp. $39.99. Casalix Mini Table Lamp. $12.99. Huntington Home Rustic Hand-Carved Wood Candle. $19.99. Huntington Home 4-pack Tapered Candle Set. $2.49. Tyson Fresh Beef Stroganoff Kit. $8.99. Custom Made Meals Fresh Stuffed Meatballs. $5.29.